Hello everyone, welcome in a new video. Today we discuss the biography of cute Maj. Maj is not a Fazza's son. Maj is a short of Muhammad bin Ahmad Jabir al-Arabi. His real name is Muhammad bin Ahmad Jabir al-Arabi. That means his father is Ahmad Jabir al-Arabi, who is a close friend of Fazza, and he was a died. On public platform, Maj and Fazas refer each other as a best friend. The young Maj is around 8 years old and is often seen on trips with Dubai Crown Prince Fazza III. That due to take their close friendship, Sheikh Hamdan bin Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum and Muhammad, known as Maj, have shared a close bond for years, with both their social media feeds full of shots of the pair together. Cute Maj traveled with Sheikh Hamdan and on many trips. Maj has also a Instagram account, has 756,000 followers. Maj made many of celebrities in the world. I will clear one thing to you, he was not a son of Hamdan. He was a son of his close friend Ahmad Jabir al-Arabi. Thanks for watching.